Alright, hey
ready.
guys. So look, today me and my friend, we're gonna go mining today. As you can see.
Yeah, we're gonna go mining.
And by the way, yeah, we're just gonna go mining. This is my friend. His name's River VR, like that's his YouTube channel. Shout out to him. And yeah.
His name's Puppy VR. Shout out to him.
Yeah, it's with the J, not H, J. Javi space, yeah, VR. Alright, and now we're gonna go mining. Me and my friend, we're probably gonna like make a lot of videos together. So you'll see both of us a lot. Ow. Ow. Come on. Stop killing me. There you are. Where'd you go?
I kind of fell all the way down.
Yes, see now. Here. Make sure to get the purple ores.
I fell down again.
We got big old backpacks. Guys, if you guys hear people talking in the background of my video, just ignore it. River, where are you at?
Lava.
Alright.
Where you at?
I'm still up here. I'm coming like all the way down right now. Oh, purple ore. Damn.
Oh, my controller messed up. It won't let me go.
Just drop it.
I'm trying to do.
I think. What if it's not the controller? Or just put. Okay, oh, never mind. Because you just. Hold up. Alright, come on.
I'll use it without.
Yeah, let's just go. Here, the purple.
Different crate.
That's fine. Damn. Okay.
Put the shotgun ammo.
I got a gun. A revolver.
Because if it was full shotgun, I have shotgun ammo.
Oh yeah, River, by the way, make sure you get the shotgun so we so like you know how to so you can sell a lot of stuff. Do I even want the? I don't know if I want. I don't think I'll get it. Oh, it does have ammo in it. But we could probably be able to store a lot of stuff too, guys, because we got these big backpacks. So you forgot your pickaxe.
No, I was getting ores.
There's a mimic over here, I think. No, it's a muscle man. Pretty sure. That's a muscle man. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, muscle man. It's a muscle man. It's a muscle man. Oh, it's got company points, I think.
There's two. I'm dead.
You're not, no, you're not.
Oh, there's a bomb too. I'm dead. I'm definitely dead.
Oh. Oh, that take Hellos. There's one right here too.
Shoot him.
Oh, got a zipline gun. But can't you also like make? You can also shotgun. Got this. River.
What?
Bro, River, then can't you also make tires out of the what's it called? The shields.
Yeah, I think you can.
I saw people do that. Cause there's a shield back there, but I didn't get it. We have this we're almost to the exit.
That's great. Do you want it?
Yeah, I want to get the ore. Oh, River, I can make a zipline gun to the thing.
You can if you want. Do it so we don't fall.
Got it. Please, just don't break it. Trying to break it, even though I do. Just please, cause those times I broke it, just trying to break it though. Cause like, I always be breaking it, but this time, yeah. You call me?
You just broke it.
Who broke it? Did I actually just break it? Here. It's alright. Good. Listen. You got this, River. Right there. Oh, yeah, that works too. Oh no. One down. Come on. We're gonna go get these research points. Let's okay.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, we have to let's get the mush.
Yeah, pink.
Come on. Come on. Alright, come on, we gotta hurry. Eat two. I'd eat two. Come on, let's go. Oh, I'm stuck to the planet. What am I doing?
Same, I can't.
If our backpacks are bigger than us.
I know. All we have to do is drive, wait till we figure it and drive to just about the river with us.
I can't understand what you're saying. because we can't hold it because then we're gonna be slow.
Yo! No more that good now.
Where?
Down there. Okay.
Okay, here. I'm gonna come and help you. Maybe it was caught. It might have been. I'm gonna try to get it for you. Ugh. Oh my god, he lost his backpack. Oh my god. Also, might take a while. Yeah, let's try to get it. Oh my god. Baby, we have to hurry up and get it before it despawns. Oh, y'all can skip this part of the video if y'all want, because it's like, it might take a while. River. Get it. Damn it. No. Damn it, no. I almost got it. If I literally almost got it. Go like. Come on. Damn it. I always get so. Well, actually, I don't always get close, but. River, what if we can't get it? What? What'd you say?
If we can't get it in 2 more tries, we can just forget about it. Oh, no, just forget about it. Just forget about it.
Let me try one more time.
I'm gonna go to the planet. Oh, you hear me?
How's come back right now?
No,
Get 2 big mushrooms.
Okay. Well, it's not
drop
gonna,
the pickaxe.
it's not gonna work
Drop
for
the
me.
pickaxe, it's too late.
What'd you get? What the
Remember, I think we're supposed to go there first, then take them. Alright, y'all.
first thing already?
Alright, guys. I'm going. Yeah, so we never got the backpack. Yep. We're back. We're big as hell. We're bigger than the whole map. We're big. How big than the whole map?
For sure, somewhere here. Okay, we're going back to normal.
I'm not back to normal yet.
Try to find me.
I see you.
Try to tag me.
I did. I did. Alright. We have to do our outro.
Okay, wait until you get.
Okay, I'm back.
There you
I'm
go.
back.
Go. Well, we're.
That's
See you guys in the next video, whatever, and then.
that's the end of our video.
Yeah, it's the end of the
We
video.
couldn't get his
We tried to
backpack.
get the
We couldn't get
back.
We couldn't get it, so we couldn't get his backpack back. So maybe in the next video, no, we'll do something better. This was good, but like, yeah.
Oh wait. Hold on, wait, hold on.
That's it.
No, wait. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna show you video. I'm gonna show you video one thing. Say it. Do not show your video one
Dude,
stuff.
He's gonna do something. Well,
Yes, sir.
unfortunately, I actually hoped we were gonna get the backpack back. Maybe but in the next video we might. Next video we might also go to like forest or lake, or we might go
Yeah,
goop
we can
hunting.
grind some forest.
Yeah, or we might go to I don't know what the place is called, but it's the place you get a lot of goop from. Or I want to make inventions next video. Yeah. Oh, he wants to say something. His motorcycle. Pop one. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye, guys. Peace.